that it's past your bedtime. You've played the day away, and soon it will be night. Come to me, 'cause the light is fading. Don't you hear the winter wind is crying? There's a darkness which comes without a warning, but I will sing you lullabies and wake you in the morning.
Oh, Fontaine, our time is running out. Dear Fontaine, I swear this on my life.
Good Monsieur, where all the children play.
Be at peace, be at peace evermore.
My Cosette,
She will live in my protection.
take her now.
Your child will want for nothing.
Good Monsieur, you come from God in heaven.
None shall ever harm Cosette as long as I am living.
Take my hand, the night grows ever colder.
I should keep you warm.
Take my child, I'll give her to your keeping.
Take shelter from the storm.
For God's sake, please stay till I am sleeping, and tell Cosette I love her, and I'll see her when I wake.